Hello everyone, I just received my DXN products package for January and I'm going to open it now. I'm trying to open it very gently, not to cut into any product that's inside. It's like when a child opens the presents. Let's see the products. 2 Reishi Mushroom Powders. Ez a GL meg az RG-nek a keveréke, ez a Reishi por. A Reishi az a Ganodermának a japán neve. Oké, tehát ezt kapják a kutyusok is, mindenféle finomságba beledörzsölöm nekik, meg én is szedem. So, a Ganoderma soap, this is for me for washing my short hair, for shaving and taking the bath. I can't say that I'm saving the best for last because these are all best delicious products for me. This is a bottle of Cordypine. It's an excellent drink, one of my favorites. I could drink gallons of it. If you click here on YouTube, you can watch my video when I drink a bottle of this, mixed with water, of course. This is Morinzhi, the Noni fruit juice of DXN. It's 100% natural without any preservatives. So I could also drink gallons of this wonderful drink. So this is one of the latest products of DXN. This is DXN Vinaigrette. It's a Ganoderma rice vinegar, and you have to be extremely careful when you drink it. You have to mix it with water because it's very strong. Okay, if you click here, you can see what happens if someone foolish enough like me tries to drink it without mixing with water. It's very strong and it helps to burn fat. Hopefully I will succeed in burning some fat also. You might remember this. This is the 1 kilo mega pack version of DXN Lingzhi Coffee 3-in-1. This is DXN Cocoa Z, the Ganoderma Cocoa, the mega pack version, 1 kilo version. This is DXN Z Mocha. This is the mixture of cocoa and Ganoderma coffee, and it is a very delicious sweet drink. This is one of my favorite DXN coffees. To be honest, I love all DXN coffees, but this has a special place in my heart. Okay, Z Mocha is one of the best. Okay, in a minute you will see how I prepare DXN Z Mocha.